Oh, hey guys, this video kind of spins out of the last video I made comparing the relative fiscal position of Clarksburg and Bridgeport. And I realize that I kind of have an answer that I can back up and point to um, as to whether or not the demolition program made fiscal sense for the city of Clarksburg. The argument for demolition advocates is always that Uh, dilapidated housing reduces our home values, and and presumably in defending our home values, we defend our tax revenues. Okay, it's almost impossible to estimate the impact of demolition on our home values here. There are studies the larger cities have done. It's just hard. Um, but we do know through another means that um, residential tax base of Clarksburg is $200 million. And at 12.5 cents per $100 of valuation of property tax, that means we're bringing in a little bit over $250,000 a year in residential property tax. Meanwhile, we've been spending $500,000 a year the last couple years, and often 300,000 to 400,000 in the Goings administration. We are spending more money every year to save property values than we're collecting from property values. It's that simple. Now you can argue, well, these people would have moved away, and then that would reduce our tax base. Most of the B&O tax and sales tax in Clarksburg comes from East Point. And East Point attracts most of the business from Bridgeport for groceries and Walmart and stuff like that, and a lot of business from Harrison County as a whole. If those people had just left and moved to Bridgeport, we would be collecting pretty much the same amount of B&O tax from them. There's questions of quality of life and all of that remain out there and debatable. But from a standpoint of hard data, of raw numbers, we are spending twice as much every year on demolition than we're collecting from residential property tax in total. That question is answered. I'll holler at you later.